Hello, Dan. It's Joe here. I hope you're keeping well. It's the 21st of December. Now they're ringing the last bells. If I get good behavior, I'll be out here by July. I want to kiss my kids on Christmas Day. Please, don't let them cry for me. I guess the brothers are driving down to Queensland. Stella's flying in from the coast. They say it's gonna be 100 degrees, even more maybe. That won't stop the roast. Who's gonna make the gravy now? I bet it won't taste the same. Just have flour, salt, a little red wine, and don't forget $1 for tomato sauce for sweetness and an extra tang. And give me love to Angus and to Frank and Dolly. Tell them all I'm sorry. I screwed up this time, and look after Rita. I'll be thinking of her early Christmas morning when I'm standing in line. I hear Mary's got a new boyfriend. I hope he can hold his own. Do you remember the last one? What was his name again? What was his problem? He never did get Nina Simone. Now Roger, well I'm even gonna miss Roger, 'cause there's sure as hell no one in here I wanna fight. I pray the baby Jesus have a Merry Christmas. I'm really gonna miss it. All the treasure in the trash, and later in the evening I can just imagine you put on Junior Murphy and push a Dave Oz back and a dancing Rita. I know you really like her, just don't hold her too close. So brother, please don't stab me in the back. I didn't mean to say that. It's just my mind that plays up. Multiplies each matter, turns imagination into fact. You know I love her badly. She's the one that saved me. I'm gonna make some gravy. I'm gonna taste the fat. I'm sorry. Yeah, I love her badly. Tell them all I'm sorry. Kiss the sleepy children for me. You know one of these days I'll be making gravy. I'll be making